Hey everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today I'm going to be doing Kurama, the nine-tailed demon fox from Naruto. So it's his head and shoulders, so we're close up on his face, and we're going to start just with his eye. So we're down low on the page, so to fit in his big long ears that go all the way up nearly to the corner up here, you need to bring his head, well I did anyway, needed to bring down his head a bit lower. It's a landscape page. So let's go. Let's see what we can do. So we'll start with his right eye. So find out at the middle of your page, just about here. We're going to come over a little bit and we're going to do a diagonal line just in here for that dark black section that he has in at his nose. So there's two of those. So there's one here and here. And then this comes up to a point on both sides. So then these will travel up. So we're going to go up like so. And this is going to go all the way really far. And then this is going to come up to a point. So it's going to go up. All the way nearly to the corner of the page. Real big long ears. And then this is gonna, so underneath here, this is gonna come all the way back, joined together. So we have a part that goes underneath his ear, his eye, sorry, here. And then we're gonna go up. Like so. And then this is going to go all the way, travel all the way up to here as well. So we're going to go real big. All the way like that. And then we have something similar on this side. So this one will come up all the way. All the way nearly to the top of the corner of the page, just there. And then we'll bring it down the other side. Like this. And then it goes down and underneath his eye, down to there. So there's those two shapes for the black sections inside Kurama's ears. In there then we have his eyes. So a top eyelid comes out here. And then this comes around into there and then up to here. You can do the same over here. So top eyelid, curves it down like so, and then back into there. In there then he has an iris and a pupil, so curves around like that. Then his pupil is just a line, a straight line in each of those. And then we have all in there, of course, is dark black. Right, so then once that's drawn, we can add the backs of those ears. So it's like dark black and then his orange fur. So coming from just here, we're going to add another layer. Goes up to the top of his ear, just up here. All the way up to about here. And you can do the same over this side. So about the same level. Bring it up. All the way up to about here. And then his head comes across in here. And then this comes out the other side and down a lot closer to the edge here. So all the way. Stop about there because that's where his jaw is going to start. And we'll do the same thing over this side. So bring it down and we're going down to there as well. So we're just doing that outer edge of orange fur all the way to there. And then he's a couple of frown lines just in here. Like that. Just making that maybe a bit bigger. Okay, so his head then. So we'll do his head and then do his nose and mouth inside. So we're going to bring this down around outside and we're going to add some spikes just here. Fur spikes just on both sides. Coming down each side here. And then this is going to come all the way in like this. And when we get down to here, we have his chin, just around here. Then his nose, so his nose is just up here, line straight across. Comes down the sides like so. And then we have curve for a nostril, curve for a nostril, and then bring it down the middle and then back up to about here, and then it's dark black all in there. And then of course he has some like frown lines and whisker lines and stuff like that on his face. So we have some frown lines in here, so we have frown line up, some sort of coming in from his nose, like this. One coming down under his eye. And then some sort of whisker lines kind of coming this way. Kinda. There can be lots of them. You can do, like, you can shade it all in, like hatch it all in, or you could leave it sort of more basic. It's up to you. Something like that, anyway. And then we have his mouth. So real big grin, so like all the way up to where his nose is, and then it comes down around. So we're going to bring it down like so. And then back over the other side. So that's like his top lip. And then this comes down underneath. Across here. And then back up. And then of course this is a real thick line, so you got to thicken it up. It's dark black. It's like his gums, I guess. That's what it looks like anyway. Well, they're his lips technically, but they're like black, like animals or dogs' gums. And then maybe a sort of smile line just above, just here. Some more lines just on his nose, just coming out from his nose there. Then he has two large fangs, so one there, one coming down here, like so. And then he has those sharp teeth going the whole way across him there, so he's like. And they get sort of smaller as we go up his mouth into there. Just making these just a bit longer there, coming down over his lip. Like so. And then we'll do just what we can see of his back. So he's kind of hunched over, so we can see top of his neck just there, top of his neck here. And this is going to come down around for a shoulder, down to here. And you can add sort of hairlines every now and then, curving down. So, then maybe a collarbone going that way, and then here as well, and maybe some fur lines just coming in here, maybe here too, coming down in here, and what else? Maybe a line just for his chest, just coming up into his armpit here. Like so. And then we can maybe see some of his 9 tails just behind his head. So one coming up this way. And then this has like some hairlines on it. Like so. Next one just here under his ear. It'll come out the other side, go off the page. And another one just going off the page this way. Another line for that there. So 1, 2 tails. Then we can see another one going this way. And then the other side of this one is here. Curves up past his ear off the page there. Some more sort of hairlines just to show that they're furry, I guess. And then another one going this direction. And the other end of it down here somewhere. And then of course some hairlines and fur lines and things there. There's another one that's coming out from the bottom and waving in behind all those. So it's just in here, up from his ear. So it just comes this way. Maybe another little bit of it in here because it's the thin top of it. And then another line for it just coming that way. So, and maybe some more hairlines on it just here. But that's it. Kurama. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.